In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add different text style in Photopea. We'll start from scratch, add text to a new document, and fine-tune the styling so your design looks clean, legible, and polished. Open your browser and head to photopea.com. It runs entirely online, so there's nothing to install, and the interface should load in a moment. On the Start screen, click New Project to begin. You'll see a panel with handy presets for social posts, thumbnails, and print sizes. Pick a preset that matches your goal, or enter a custom width and height. If you're just practicing, a square or HD canvas works great. Set the background to white, black, or transparent depending on your design. For screen graphics, a resolution of 72 to 144 ppi is fine. For print, choose a higher number to keep text sharp. When everything looks right, click Create and your blank canvas will appear. Select the text tool from the toolbar on the left. It's the icon with a capital T. You can also press the T key to switch to it quickly. With the text tool active, the options bar at the top shows controls for font, weight, size, color, alignment, and spacing. Click once on the canvas where you want your text to start. Photopea creates a new text layer and places a blinking cursor so you can type immediately. If you need a paragraph area, click and drag to draw a text box. This helps keep longer text from running off the edge. Check the Layers panel on the right and double-click the text layer to make sure it's selected and ready for editing. You'll see the text highlighted so you can replace any placeholder content. Type your message, then style it. Open the font menu to browse families or use the search box to find a specific font. Adjust the weight to bold or light, set the size for emphasis, and use the color swatch to choose a color that contrasts with your background. You can sample colors from your image with the eyedropper for a cohesive look. For detailed control, adjust tracking to space letters, leading to space lines, and alignment to center or left align your text. Consider all caps or italics for hierarchy, but keep readability in mind. Avoid overly tight spacing and overly thin fonts against busy backgrounds. A subtle stroke can help light text stand out, and slight line spacing often improves clarity. Watch your changes update live on the canvas. If you need to reposition the text, switch to the Move tool and drag it into place. Snapping guides help with alignment. When you're happy, click the check mark in the top bar or press Enter to commit. That's it, your styled text is now visible on the canvas, ready to use or refine further.